I'm Linda Fanney, CEO of Alor. Alor will help the fight against climate change by producing sustainable aluminum batteries and energy storages. With Alor solutions, it will be possible to replace polluting energy sources and reduce energy waste. Alor's goal is to produce a green solution with outstanding performances and lower cost. The rechargeable aluminum batteries will consist of sustainable raw materials, and 95% of the battery can be recycled. The batteries will be safe to transport as they will neither be explosive nor have fire hazards. The technology has been developed for years by an experienced team of battery experts. The batteries will be produced in different sizes, from small batteries to larger energy storage units. There are multiple ways to use the solutions. I'll mention 3 of them. First, the possibility to store electricity in order to reduce energy waste. And 2, to replace backup power stations that use fossil fuels. And number 3, to replace stationary batteries containing hazardous chemicals. We believe the aluminum battery technology will play a key role in the transition to clean and renewable energy. Find out more on alor.is.